my Trifecta Nutrition box is here. Can't wait to open it up. Hi, this is Valerie with AppMyHome. Today we just got a shipment from Trifecta Nutrition. Trifecta Nutrition is a service that delivers fully cooked organic meals right to your door. All you have to do is pop them in the microwave. So let's take a look at what's inside. Now you can see here from the box, Trifecta's motto is eat like you train. So this is a service for people who really want to optimize their eating, either their training or their professional athlete, or they want to lose weight. So these are all from the clean eating plan. Trifecta has lots of different plans. They have a vegan, vegetarian, paleo, and keto, as well as you can buy some meals specifically and some meats and side dishes specifically to make your own meals. Okay, so we've got 10 meals in here from the Trifecta Nutrition Clean Eating Plan. So let's take them out and see what they look like. All right, so we've got the roasted chicken fajita with sumac carrots and chickpeas. This one is 510 calories. All right, and here's another one of those, 2 of those. Next one is creamy white beans with chicken sausage. That's a pretty big portion of sausage there. That's nice. It's 520 calories. So one thing that's kind of different about Trifecta is that they have a chef's choice for the clean eating plan. So we don't get to choose what we get every week, but we just tell them if we don't like something, we don't eat beef, but they can also say, you know, I'm allergic to nuts, or I don't like mushrooms, or things like that. And they won't include those kind of meals in the plan for you. So this one is salmon with herb roasted potatoes and lentils. This one's 460 calories. This one is, another chicken sausage. Another salmon right here. Okay. This one is cilantro rice and beans with chipotle shrimp. This one is 440 calories. That one looks really good. Okay. Here's another one of those. And then we've got the last 2 are different chicken meals, so we're gonna have to fight over these. This one is herbed chicken with lemon. This one's 420 calories. And this one is salsa verde chicken casserole with rice and beans. This one's 420 calories. So these all range between 400 and 500 calories about. They all look pretty substantial. They include, full nutritional information and how to prepare them on the back. Of course, you can pop them in the microwave. They take about 2 to 3 minutes, but you can also use them in the regular oven, the skillet, a stovetop skillet, or even put them in the air fryer. It says about 5 to 10 minutes in the air fryer. Trifecta Nutrition is really serious about their ingredients, so these are all made with, everything's organic, the meats are organic, all the vegetables are organic, all the fish is sustainable. So they do a really good job making sure they source ingredients that are really good and clean and healthy. So if that's important to you, this is the good plan for you to use. Let's see what else here. So these are all good for almost 2 weeks. They all expire on October 21st. We just store them all in the refrigerator till we're ready to eat. So that's about 10, 11 days. That's pretty good. We can eat these for lunch or dinner. So looking forward to trying them out. And we're going to use them in conjunction with the Trifecta Nutrition app. And we'll come back and do a full review. Thanks.